And this is how to clean your printing head. You need a container, something like this. Anything that can hold hot water without falling apart. So something like this. You need hot water. It can be really boiling hot, or something as hot as I would say cup of tea. If you are a bit scared, then use a bit colder and see how it works. It should be at least warm as your shower. And yeah, then we need of course your printing head. And this printing head, if you never done it, but I think you should have done. If you look in your on your printing head holder or cartridge holder, you just pick it up and it sits usually like this. So you just pick it up and take it out just like that. And then if you're going to pour water over it, make sure the water will come at this high as my fingers. So what it will do, it will clean those places also. If you have too little, it will only come up to here, and it will clean only the bottom of just the printing head. But you usually need to clean this also. Sometimes you have here a lot of dirt. So I hope it's a little bit visible. The cam is quite off. But anyway, you put it in and you pour the water. Just like this. In my case, this is enough to cover everything. And this one is already cleaned, and it won't have much ink in itself. But as you can see, there, perhaps you can see it, on the right side. Difficult to show on this camera, but this one is a little bit dirty, and usually when you pick it up and you can see that those metallic spots, those silver spots, don't dry up. Usually it means that that it's stuck, and then you need it just to hold on in the water till it gets cold, or you can try earlier. And usually when it's dirty, you need to refresh the water a couple of times. And when you take it out, of course, make sure when you're done completely, make sure this part is completely dry and the printing head is also dried up. You can use a normal tissue for this, and don't touch too much. This you don't need to touch, those metallic printing head, just around it. So where I'm touching here or there or here, dry this up, but not this. This it's so sensitive that I wouldn't recommend. So this is how you do it, with just hot water, hot or warm, just like I mentioned before. You can really use boiling hot water, and but for safety, just try yourself what works best for you. And this is how it's done.